In today's video, I'll show you whether you can see unsent messages on Messenger using an iPhone 8 Plus. Let's get started. If someone sends you a message on Messenger and then chooses unsend for everyone, the message is removed from both sides of the conversation. Unlike many Android phones, iPhone does not have a built-in notification history feature, so you can't view the content of an unsent message after it's been removed. However, if the message appeared in a notification before it was unsent, you may still be able to read it from your lock screen or notification center, provided you haven't cleared the notification yet. To check, simply swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification center and look for the Messenger notification. If the notification has already been dismissed or if message previews were turned off, there is no official way to recover or view that unsent message on an iPhone. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more social media tutorials and step-by-step how-to guides. Thanks for watching.